our electric griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, with a length of 30 inches, a depth of 19.5 inches, and a height we have 10.5 inches tall. Measurements for the griddle area, we have 30 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in depth. Thickness of the griddle plate, we have 1 inch. Coming to the right will be a slot where all the axes and debris will fall into this waste tray. Measurements for the waste tray will include 7 1/4 inches in depth by 3 3/4 inches in length. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the slot. Coming to the bottom are 3 separate temperature control gauges along with the light indicators. Coming to the back will be the SA certification sticker along with the 220 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.